Hi and welcome. In this video, you're going to find out the secrets of Mission plant-based tortillas. Are Mission tortillas healthy? The Mission Tortillas Plus are fortified with omega-3s, have heart healthy on the packaging, and say they are 96% fat-free. But the first ingredient is enriched bleached wheat flour, that's not whole wheat, and one burrito-sized tortilla has 35 grams of carbohydrates, Lanting pointed out. What are the lowest calorie tortillas? Top 4 favorite low-cal tortillas. 1. Top choice, Maya's tortillas 80 calories. 2. La Tortilla Factory tortilla 45 calories. 3. La Banderita low-carb tortilla 50 calories. 4. Ole, high-fiber tortilla 50 calorie. What are the healthiest tortillas? Overall corn tortillas are the healthiest, followed by whole wheat tortillas and then plain flour tortillas. Macronutrients. If you're only concerned with calories, a corn tortilla is your best bet, but whole wheat tortillas have the least fat. Vitamins and minerals. Fiber. Sodium. Healthiest fillings. Can vegans eat tortillas? Generally, tortillas are vegan. You may still come across some wheat flour tortillas that contain lard, but it is far less likely because the majority of tortilla companies now use vegetable oil. In addition to this, corn flour tortillas are made without oil, so they are generally vegan and vegetarian. Can you eat tortillas on a plant-based diet? The plant-based budget-friendly pantry, whole grains, brown rice, whole grain pasta, rolled oats, barley, whole grain bread, whole grain tortillas, corn tortillas. Do vegans eat tortilla chips? Most styles and brands of tortilla chips are typically vegan. The ones you have to watch out for are the flavored ones. Are tortillas keto? Soft, pliable homemade tortillas that are low-carb and keto-friendly. These tortillas are also quick and easy to make. You can whip up a batch of fresh tortillas in about 30 minutes. I've been on a mission to find a good keto tortilla recipe. Why are tortillas unhealthy? Flour tortillas are slightly higher in calories because they contain added fat to make them softer and easier to roll. Small 6-inch flour tortillas usually aren't much more than 90 calories. Beyond calories, nutritional value depends on whether the tortillas are made with whole grains and healthy fats. Which is better for you, corn tortillas or flour tortillas? Corn tortilla calories are considered to be healthier than flour calories because corn tortillas have fewer carbs, less fat content, and much more fiber. Corn tortillas are a whole grain food, and they offer a much higher quantity of vitamins than wheat tortillas can. What is the best tortilla brand? Real Simple's favorite grocery store tortillas. MissionMenus.com. Best everyday, Mission Super Soft Large Flour Tortillas. Tortillaland.com. Best flour, Tortilla Land Flour Tortillas. Amazon.com. Best corn, La Banderita White Corn Tortillas. Maria and Ricardo's.com. Best whole wheat, Maria and Ricardo's Whole Wheat Tortillas. La Tortilla Factory.com. Are corn tortillas plant-based diet? While whole grain breads, tortillas, and crackers are part of a whole food, plant-based diet, they are also calorie-dense and should be enjoyed in moderation, especially if you are trying to lose weight. Can you eat flour tortillas out of the bag? When you take them out of their package, you could eat them as they are without doing harm to yourself, but it doesn't seem like a very appetizing approach to fine Mexican cuisine. Do tortillas go bad? For flour tortillas, they should last a week in a pantry and 3 to 4 weeks in a refrigerator. For your homemade tortillas, they are still safe to be eaten past the printed date for 2 to 3 days if you keep them in a pantry. If they're stashed away in a refrigerator, then you can still consume them within 5 to 7 days. What can I use instead of tortillas? Spinach wraps are a delicious and totally healthy substitute for regular tortillas made with refined flour. You can use them to make homemade wraps filled with chicken and fresh veggies or in Mexican dishes. All kinds of Mexican dishes including enchiladas and burritos. What are the best low-carb tortillas? 8 low-carb tortillas that will forever change the way you meal prep. Outer Aisle Gourmet Cauliflower Sandwich Thins. Mama Lupe Low-Carb Tortillas. Mission Carb Balance Soft Taco Flour Tortillas. La Tortilla Factory Whole Wheat Low Carb Tortillas. Olé Mexican high-fiber low-carb flour tortillas. Nuco coconut wraps. Are corn tortillas bad for weight loss? Corn tortillas are not bad for weight loss unless you are on a really strict keto or no-carb diet. In fact, corn tortillas can definitely help you to lose weight if you're used to eating flour tortillas. Are white tortillas healthy? Ubiquitous white tortillas form the basis of many Mexican dishes and are often used in wraps, but they're not the healthiest choice. Tortillas made with whole grains or vegetables offer more nutrition. Once you've found a healthy tortilla, fill it with healthful ingredients. Are tortillas bad for cholesterol? Flour tortillas. They're higher in saturated fat than corn tortillas. Assuming you don't fry your corn tortillas in oil, of course. Start with a corn tortilla, check the label to make sure it wasn't made with lard, and add those healthy toppings: grilled chicken, juicy tomatoes, and chopped lettuce. Can a diabetic eat tortillas? You can easily make diabetic-friendly tortillas to take to Mexican restaurants so that you can enjoy tacos, burritos, and fajitas. A newer option that caters to the healthy lifestyle trend is the Mexican bowls. The Mexican restaurant, Chipotle, is famous for this type of food option. Where can I buy good flour tortillas? The best flour tortilla you can reliably find anywhere: Market Pantry 10-inch burrito flour tortillas. Target's house brand tortilla makes for a sturdy but tender burrito and is slightly chewier than the top two contenders. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.